Assalamu alaikum. I am Junahid Chodar. Now I am staying at Megna floodplain area, where this is the biggest river. And in the rainy season, now the June month, 1st July, there are a lot of rainfall. In the soil, we face the extreme precipitation, and this is the floodplain area of Meghna. And also there are several kinds of haor area where the standing water or the standing body of water, this water comes from the Meghalaya and the Assam from India. And this is the large water body where much water standing in the area, and maybe 4 or 5 months. And now we see the flow of water, where this water flow is really high, because not only for this water comes from several rivers like as Kurshurma, Kushiara, Kaloni, Kwai, and others river, as like this Jadukata river from Meghalaya. And this haor is covers almost 3 districts, as like as Kishorganj, Hobbyganj, and Brahmanbaria district. We frequently found Bangladesh face a lot of rainfall and a lot of flood, especially extreme flood in the rainy season or monsoon season especially. What is the main cause of this flood? Because Bangladesh is a very low elevated country, and their region is like as the basin area in the Sylhet Basin. And also this Kishorganj is another area where the also low elevated as like as basin type, and here this water is standing from the upper hilly region, as like as Garo hills, Assam hills, and Meghalaya hills. And because of tropical monsoon season, when the cloud fly in the sky, then the cloud comes to the condensation, then this condensation body is attached to the hilly or elevated area. And that's why in the Meghalaya region receives a lot of extreme precipitation, and most of the rivers comes from these 2 states of India, as like as Bangladesh, as like as the Assam and Meghalaya region. And most prominently this river is we face a lot of precipitation here. This is the one kind of region area where we found. Thank you all.